You know, guys, we got a problem. Why is Jack Schnee, yeah, the Jack Schnee, CEO of the Shinas company and father of Wei Schnee from Ruby, so racist towards Faunus? Like, bro, why? Faunus and Ruby are literally just humanoid people with animal traits, ears, tails, and all that. He's wasting so much opportunity, man. Like, what do you mean you hate them? Do you have any idea how we are things seem for them? Like, bro, some of us are literally down bad for Faunus type characters. This man literally out here acting like Leon from Akame ga Kill, Yoruichi from Bleach, or even Delta from Eminence in Shadow, Jane Doe, Ellen Joy, and Oshimi Miyabi aren't 10-10 material. Be for real, Jax. Be for real. We literally have men, yes, men who are hopelessly down bad for the girls from Uma Musume, the horse girl Jax. Can someone from random please help this man change his mind? Because bro is out here throwing away peak waifu material. Look at them, bro. Jax, just look at them. You're telling me this is what you hate, Jax? They are little peak waifu material, bro. Stop hating on Faunus.